Hey guys, it is super early this morning and I don't even know if anyone's awake, so I'm gonna try and be quiet. Today is Thursday, which means for me it's injection day. Up until now, I've been taking it at 2:30, 2:40, like that. But right now, I'm switching it to a morning schedule so that I can take it in the morning before I leave. I don't usually come back to my dorm. Alright, so this is kind of be a little tutorial. Obviously, I don't pass yet, but the longer I take this, the better it'll be. And I'm still pretty memorable from the doctor's appointment. By the way, trigger warning or content warning for needles, because that's a thing. I'm not a big fan of needles, but you know, some people aren't bothered by it. I need to take my shorts off, but I'm wearing boxers, so ta-da! I did the other side last month. I've not found any answers yet, but okay, now that's pretty awkward. I've not found any answers yet, but I'm trying to figure out if shoot, what do I call it? Now I gotta look it up. Hold on. Told you it was all live. Cellulite. I hate the way I have to look it up because it's super offensive. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that now. They said to keep this inside the box, and I'm at college, so this is also a controlled substance, and I keep it in my locked. Is my head out of the shot? It is. Okay, so for now, we're gonna move it up so that it is in the shot. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, you guys can't see the ring, and I can't see the camera or the screen. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna do the shot outside of view, and I'm just gonna verbally tell you guys what's going on, so that way I don't have to worry about, like, he's nude, or he's not wearing enough clothes in this video, blah, 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 whatever. Yeah, okay. So, this is the bottle right here. The kind of bottle will depend on your, injection. You can also get not injection, but I was worried about paying, so I just got shots. Alright, number 1. Open everything. Well, not everything. Open the needles. Oh, I need my soap box. I didn't want to buy one, so I'm just using a Folgers container, which I am setting right here. Alright, needles open. And the injection needle is already on there for me, and the other needle is the one that's on here. But, you know, it's a pretty easy switch. This I will show on here. If you hate this part, skip over it. But here we're going. Alright. You're just gonna have to twist off ever so gently. And twist on this one. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't come off. Otherwise it'll, no matter what, it's gonna get a little bit of it in here, but it's alright. Step 2 is to clean the bottle off. For me anyways, if you have the single-use bottles, then you don't really need to worry about cleaning off the top. But I was told that every time I did this, since it's a single bottle, I need to clean off the top. And it instantly seals, so I don't have to worry about anything like that. Alright. More needles, I'm sorry. This is going to be needles a lot. We're going to turn it upside down and puncture it into the bottle. Away. And for me, I am on a 0.4 dose, and this is a 3 milliliter needle, so I'm going to just pull it to the line right before a half. Hold up a little bit. Don't be afraid to get more in there, because you can always push the stopper back up, and that'll get rid of any air bubbles. And turn it over. I'm hiding, oh, hold on, let's put the cap back on so I don't stab myself. There we go. Alright, covering up the needle, that is where it is. You see the little stopper? There is E-juice in there. Not E-juice, T-juice. Yeah, T-juice. Jeez, I hate needles. Alright, next you're going to clean off the area. For me, they told me to switch sides every time I did it. And first injection is left side, then the right. Switch that, right, left, right. So we're new, right, left, right. I can't tell you directions, as you can see. You're just going to clean off wherever you put it, and everyone's like, oh, it's going to hurt, it's going to hurt. It does hurt, but if you bite your cheek and kind of pull it so it's like the skin so it's taut, that actually helps better. Alright, time to change the needle back. It would, in my opinion, it would be easier if the bottle needle was still on there. Oh, that smells like coffee. It kind of smells like skunk too. Ugh, hate that smell. That's not good. Okay. Like I told you, nervous. I hate needles. You're gonna want to go an inch to a half inch, which is basically the whole needle. I'm not a big fan of that, but alright, where did I clean it off? And that's what this is for. I can just make sure, because I'm pretty sure I've got the same spot. It actually goes in pretty easy, and you're just gonna you want to get the band-aid on there pretty fast. Oops. Let's get that needle on there first. You want to get the band-aid. I hate needles. I hate them. You want to get the needle on there or the band-aid on there pretty fast, because the testosterone leaks out of your body, and that is super weird. There's a little, well, for me anyways, there's a little bit of blood. The last time I did it, there was way more. And I'm just gonna lift my thigh up, or tilt the camera down, stupid, so you can see. Just right there. Super easy. I hate needles. Hate them, hate them, hate them, hate them. Anything to say? At this point, I don't have any issues with, like, shaving anything to inject, but I don't know if that's an issue some people have. But yeah. I don't technically know if I need to tell someone if I have this or not, but I was told no by most people I asked. Alright. Cleanup is back in the bottle, and like I said, it automatically seals it every time I take the needle out, so it is already taken care of. I have a recycling bin, so I'm going to put that there. Up there. Oh, actually, I don't think I can recycle these. And I kind of don't want to, just in case people see that I have needle packets and are like, hey, what's that? My bad. I have a packet of tissues right here that I'm going to use to clean up the excess that came out of the needle, because that was a thing that happened. I don't know if they didn't tell me this, but this is a thing that happens. Every time I do a shot, my needle is so sore. Like, super sore. The entire leg. Like, lower area all through that leg. Which makes it fun because I am biking across campus this morning. Okay. But yeah, that's how I do my tea shots. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram, xMythologicX, or anywhere else, because I'm really on everything. But I check Twitter most, so thank you for popping in and viewing, and I hope I helped. Or, I don't know, made some baby trans people feel better about this. Maybe worse, actually. I don't know about you, but I personally felt jealous every time I saw someone doing it, so I just didn't watch them. But if you're watching, maybe you're looking for, like, instructions on how to do yours, so, yeah. Have a good day, and, yeah. Stay logic, my friends. Logic out.